In this lesson, we'll be learning how to set up Chakra UI in a React application. I'm using VS Code, but you can use any code editor for this. We're also going to be using TypeScript and not JavaScript for the entire course. This is because TypeScript makes your code easier to debug and is generally more reliable. So let's set up a React application in TypeScript using Vite. Vite is a front-end development environment, and that's what we'll be using for the rest of this course. First, head over to the Vite site and copy the installation command. I use yarn, so I'll copy yarn create Vite. Go back to VS Code and paste this command in your terminal. Call the project Chakra UI for beginners, and then select React as the framework and React TypeScript as the variant. Once done, cd into this new folder. Next, we run yarn to install dependencies. Run yarn dev to start the project in localhost port 3000. Awesome, so we have our React application running. Next, we are ready to install Chakra UI. So we go over to the Chakra UI website, which is chakra-ui.com. Click Get Started button to get the installation instructions. You'll notice that there are various framework guides, but for this, we'll click on the Vite guide. Copy the installation commands for yarn and go back to VS Code. In your terminal, paste this code and install Chakra UI and its dependencies. Installing Chakra UI is the first step to getting Chakra UI working in your React application. The next thing you want to do is to wrap Chakra provider in the root of your app. So for this, we go to the source directory and click on the main.tsx file. We import Chakra provider at the top of our file. Next, we wrap Chakra provider around app. Finally, let's make a few tweaks and clean up the content of our app. In app.tsx, let's just remove all of this content that we will not be using. And then create a new folder called components. This is where all of our components we'll be creating in this course are going to live in. We've just set up a React project with Chakra UI installed. In the next video, we'll take a look at some Chakra UI components.